Welcome to Mom Shirubs and Bella Vlog. First day of school of Bella, so we will send her to her new school here in Kuwait. We'll see what will happen. Ito na nga guys, sumama siya sa transport niya. So ako, nagtahuli lang. And ito na siya, tingnan mo naman kung anong reaction sa akin. Nagulat siya nung nakita niya.
Bella!
Kasi kasama siya sa transport.
What?
What are you doing?
I'm doing. I sent you to your room.
Huh?
I said to your room. Ay,
We'll see where your school, your room.
And ito na guys, gahanap na kami ng room niya kasi first day, so hindi pa natin kabisado kung saan banda yung room niya. Yun lang, wala siyang tapon, hindi siya yung
Check natin kung saan yung school mo.
excited kasi siya napupunta sa school.
Grade 1.
Choose. You want in the back? Yeah. Remove.
Sit down. So you want there? Huh? So you're okay na? You're okay na there?
Yes, but the problem is the seats are too cold.
What?
The seats are too cold. That's the problem.
Ayan. Ano na sila? Nakaupo na sila. Pero hindi pa sila kumpleto kasi marami pang estudyante. Kumbaga, maaga-aga pa. Ayan siya. Tingin-tingin sa mga kaklase niya. So, she's happy. Please subscribe, like, and share our videos. Thank you so much.